Should I do an intro in the middle of my video? So should. Hello Spud friends. I am here to change out an engine mount on a car. With proper tools and a lift. It should take about 25 minutes. I am going to show you how to do it in an hour and a half.
What's up, Tater Tots? Welcome to the next episode of DIY Dill. So, for those of you who are unaware of what my problem is, my car has been making a wonderful noise. And no, I didn't just buy a second one because my car was having issues. Transmission mount was going bad. Some of you probably saw that on my Snapchat. Makes this wonderful groaning sound whenever you drive it, pretty much. So, today we're getting that fixed. Just got some parts in the mail, and I got a box. This is a special episode because... Can I rotate camera? No! Special episode because I am going to be filming twice. Camera. Other camera. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this box and see what we got. Alright. Oh, one-handed, this is going to be fun. Alright, Elevate Cars makes a lot of stuff for Volvo. They hooked me up with some really good parts. Some stuff, some packaging. Oh hey, that was nice enough for them to think of me. And the part in question being the engine torque mount. Looks like this. Basically, some cars have more attachment points for the engine, but mine only has 3, and this one is on the very bottom of the car attached to the transmission. And what it's designed to do is there's essentially a big old rubber bushing inside this loop, this ring. It's an isolator and absorbs engine shaking and helps pretty much keep the engine in place. Mine went bad. As you saw, this was all exploded. It was in pieces. And you'll see that when I get this on the car, which is up on jack stands right now. So let's transition to the car. Alrighty, we are back out at the car. This is about as far as I got last time. Had to take the battery out to check that mount. There's another mount over here. Can't really see it, but those are the 2 on top. The one on the bottom that I have to fix is that one right there. Got my wonderful camera setup. Tripod was too tall, so that'll have to work. As with any car repair job, you start with safety first. Gloves, the required pants with a single hole, old Vans, and a sweaty hat. So I believe first things first is to stop recording. As you can see, the jack stand is new. Forgot that you're supposed to support the engine when you're doing this because you're literally removing one of the mounts that holds it in place. So, as is par for the course, I did not have nearly enough tools out as I needed to do this. So I believe this said start by removing this one. This engine falls in me while working on it. Alex, you can have my bike. Tim, you can have my dad. My collection of tools is hodgepodge. Come from a bunch of different people. Matt, I believe I stole this wrench set from you, which just so happens to have the exact size I need. It's also the largest in the wrench set, so that works out. What doesn't work out is me about to punch myself in the face trying to loosen this. It's like a bushy inside. That's the bumper. Oh, hold on.
That sucker's on there. Okay. How do we get that off? We can try and get this off with something. Wonderful tool called a dead blow hammer. Yeah, I was not going to let that one free, that's for damn sure. Okay. Alright, let's get out the good old phone view. That's that bolt I was just pulling out. That's effing stupid. Just like middle school, when in doubt, beat it out. Guess now would be a good time to check if you have any oil leaks. Psh, nonsense. Volvos don't get oil leaks. To you guys, this is an entertaining video. To my to my neighbors. I'm guessing you guys saw that. What the hell? Tell me if that makes any sense. Oop, down here. Yep. Here's the other end. Oh, that makes sense. That other nut I took off goes right on top. Cool. Alright, let's put those together and not lose them. Wow. Yeah, I almost had to go to the dentist on that one. Okay, old engine mount. Alright, you guys get to look at this. This is that mount I got out. Turns out, looks like it's the exact same make and model as my replacement. I hope this one had like 100,000 miles on it, because that's not a good sign. That's all supposed to be rubber and connected in like a donut shape. And the center goes through the bolt goes through the centerpiece. And so you've got that physical metal to rubber contact, which isolates metal from metal, which is always good because metal on metal wears down. You'd rather have a much easier part like rubber go bad, catastrophically in this case. And since, look at that, this has made contact with the ground quite a bit. Look at all this scorch marks. USA, baby. Alright, since they sent me an entire mount, might as well use the entire mount. In fact, I don't even know if you can buy just the rubber, so yeah, it looks like it's kind of glued on. Okay, that's fine. So, let's push this stuff out the way, and then go get uh-oh. That's never a good sign. Alright friends, we are back. I don't know what that was about, but this thing said it stopped recording automatically. I don't know why that'd be a function. I looked, couldn't turn it off. If anybody knows, let me know. Alright guys, well that was the repair. Well, that's been going on. Car's been on the stands a little over a week now. Battery unplugged for a little over a week now. Let's see if battery lost its charge. Partial moment of truth. Clutch in. Alright. We'll do the test drive and report back. Well, test drive partially successful. No odd shaking, no odd vibrating, no groaning sound like it was doing before. But if you're going to take a test drive, why don't you not forget to fold your mirror back out?
Yeah, I can see myself in the side view. That's not right. Well, I didn't manage to screw anything up, so that's good. Ended out with the same amount of bolts that I took out, went back in. It's always a good sign. I don't think I screwed anything else up. Gotta check tightness in 100 miles, but I think we should be good. Tater tot. Having a good Friday night.